Jumping rope, it's not just a childhood pastime. It's a powerhouse of a workout that can transform your body in just 2 weeks if you commit to it. Picture this: 5 exercises that will not only get your heart racing, but also help you shed those stubborn pounds quickly. First up, we have the basic jump. It's simple, yet effective. Stand tall, feet together, and start bouncing lightly on your toes. Keep your elbows close to your sides, and let the rope glide over your head and under your feet. It's all about rhythm. Aim for a steady pace, and before you know it, you'll be burning calories like a furnace. Just 10 minutes of this can kickstart your metabolism and set the tone for your workout. Next, let's spice things up with the alternate foot jump. This one's a game changer. Instead of both feet leaving the ground at once, you'll alternate, almost like you're jogging in place. It's a fantastic way to engage your core and improve your coordination. Plus, it ramps up the intensity, making your heart work harder. Try to maintain a quick pace, and you'll feel the burn in your calves and thighs. It's exhilarating, and the sweat will be pouring down your face in no time. Now, let's add a little flair with the crisscross jump. This one's not just about burning calories, it's about showing off your skills. As you jump, cross your arms in front of you, then uncross them on the next jump. It requires focus and timing, but once you get the hang of it, you'll feel like a pro. This exercise not only challenges your coordination, but also works your upper body as you engage those arm muscles. It's a full-body workout disguised as child's play. Moving on, we have the double under. This one's for those who are ready to take it up a notch. As you jump, you'll swing the rope twice before landing. It's tough, but the payoff is huge. Double unders can burn more calories in less time, making them a favorite among those looking to lose weight quickly. It's a high-intensity move that will have your heart racing and your legs screaming, but the results are worth it. Finally, let's finish strong with the side-to-side jump. This exercise adds lateral movement, which is great for your agility and balance. Jump from side to side, keeping your feet together, and feel the burn in your glutes and thighs. It's a fun way to mix things up and keep your body guessing. In just 2 weeks, incorporating these 5 exercises into your routine can lead to significant weight loss. It's all about consistency, dedication, and a little bit of sweat. So grab that rope and let's get to work.